Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing all your footage into the media pool and organizing it into bins so you won't lose time later. Once done, set the project frame rate and timeline resolution to match your main camera so clips play correctly. Make sure to preview clips in the source viewer and use metadata or markers to tag useful takes. Drag the best clips into the timeline to begin assembly. This keeps your workflow fast and prevents mismatched formats later. Next, you refine your sequence. Trim with precision using the trim and ripple tools, and tidy transitions with short cross dissolves or straight cuts depending on pace. Once done, organize elements on separate tracks, dialogue, music, SFX, and graphics, and lock tracks you're not editing to avoid accidents. Make sure to adjust clip properties in the inspector for scale, position, and speed changes, and normalize audio to keep levels consistent across scenes before moving to color and effects. Finally, add effects and color. Build color node chains, apply Resolve FX, or create fusion comps for motion. Once done, render cache complex sections so playback stays smooth, then switch to the Deliver page and choose the right codec, resolution, and bitrate for your audience. Make sure to name exports clearly and use presets when possible. If the project slows or crashes, generate optimized media or proxies, clear render cache, and reduce timeline playback quality. That single troubleshooting step fixes most
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.